Today we are going to look at one of the rare and unique birds on earth, but also unique in its appearance and behavior. The Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher is a tiny, colorful, forest-dwelling kingfisher recognizable by its striking bright red bill and bright red legs. It was first described 130 years ago during the steer expedition to the Philippines in 1890. It has eluded scientists for over 100 years because of its unique behavior. For the first time in 130 years, this Philippine-based bird has been spotted and for the first time ever photographed and exposed to the world. In March 2020, it was photographed for the first time by Filipino field biologist Miguel David De Leon. The nesting and fledgling process was documented and studied by De Leon along with the Robert S. Kennedy Conservancy. The bird is the tiniest species of forest kingfisher in the Philippines and is characterized by its striking plumage of metallic lilac, orange and bright blue spots. It is found in the virgin and second growth forest in the islands of Mindanao and Basilan. The South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher has a unique call described as a high-pitched, insect-like and almost inaudible zeep. This shy kingfisher measures 12 cm and weighs 16.4 grams. The Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher is considered as vulnerable and threatened by habitat loss and human encroachment.